Hello again, friends. Welcome back to my channel. And to another exciting video designed to help you improve your English skills. In today's video, we'll practice daily conversations that are both fun and practical, so you can use them in real-life situations. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your English, this video is perfect for you. What makes this video unique is that it's structured to be simple, interactive, and effective. Watch, practice, and see your confidence grow step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to support the channel by clicking the subscribe button, giving it a thumbs up, and sharing it with friends who want to improve their English too. Alright, let's get started and take your English to the next level.
Ryan, it's been ages since we last met. How have you been?
Emma, I know, right? Life has been a whirlwind. Work, studies, and all the other responsibilities. Sometimes it feels like there aren't enough hours in the day. What about you?
I can relate. I've been focusing a lot on self-improvement lately. Reading, taking online courses, and trying to learn new skills. It's been rewarding but overwhelming at times.
That sounds productive. What kind of skills are you working on?
Well, I've been working on my communication skills. I realized how important it is to express yourself clearly, especially in professional and personal settings. Speaking of which, you're really good at that. Any tips?
Thank you. One thing I always focus on is listening actively. When you really pay attention to what others are saying, it helps you respond more thoughtfully. Also, practicing in front of a mirror or recording yourself can be a game changer.
That's a great tip. I should try recording myself. It sounds a little awkward, but I guess it helps you spot areas for improvement.
Exactly. Awkward at first, but so worth it. By the way, what's the most interesting thing you've read recently?
Oh, that's a tough question. But one book that stands out is Atomic Habits by James Clear. It talks about how small habits can make a big difference in life. Have you read it?
I haven't, but I've heard so much about it. What's the one takeaway from it that you think everyone should know?
Definitely the idea of the compound effect. It's about how tiny changes, when done consistently, lead to remarkable results over time. Like exercising for just 10 minutes a day or reading a page daily.
That's such a powerful concept. I've been trying to build a habit of journaling daily. It's a great way to reflect and clear my mind.
Journaling. I've always wanted to try that. Do you write about specific topics, or is it more of a free-flowing exercise?
It's a mix of both. Some days I write about goals and plans, while on others, I just jot down my thoughts or things I'm grateful for. It's really therapeutic.
I can see how that would be. Gratitude is so important. It shifts your mindset completely. By the way, speaking of goals, what's something big you're working towards?
Good question. I'm actually working on launching a side project, an app for time management. I want to help people organize their tasks more effectively.
That's amazing. Time management is such a valuable skill. How do you stay organized yourself?
I swear by the Pomodoro technique. It's all about working in focused intervals, like 25 minutes of deep work followed by a 5-minute break. It keeps me productive without feeling burned out.
I've heard of that. I should give it a try. Sometimes I find myself procrastinating, and it's hard to get back on track. Do you have any tricks to beat procrastination?
Oh, absolutely. One thing that works for me is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, I do it immediately. For bigger tasks, I break them into smaller, manageable chunks.
That's brilliant. I often feel overwhelmed by the size of some tasks. Breaking them down might help a lot. By the way, do you ever struggle with staying motivated?
Of course. Motivation isn't constant. It comes and goes. That's why I focus on discipline. I remind myself why I started in the first place and push through even when I don't feel like it.
I love that. Discipline really is key. You know, conversations like these remind me how important it is to have friends who inspire you.
I couldn't agree more. Speaking of inspiration, have you ever thought about starting a blog or a YouTube channel? You have so many great insights to share.
Funny you mention that. I've been considering starting a YouTube channel to share tips on self-improvement and productivity. It's a little scary, though.
You should absolutely go for it. Start small, just one video at a time. You never know who you might inspire.
Thanks for the encouragement, Ryan. You're right. I'll give it a shot. Maybe my first video can be about our conversation today. It's been so insightful.
I'd watch that. And hey, if you need a guest for your channel, I'm just a call away.
Deal. Let's make it happen. Thanks for such a great chat, Ryan. This has been one of the best conversations I've had in a while.
Same here, Emma. Let's catch up again soon. And good luck with your YouTube channel. You're going to be amazing.
Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you practice and improve your English conversation skills. Remember, consistency is key, so keep practicing every day. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more content like this for you. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what you learned today or what topics you'd like to see in the future. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and
Bye.
for now.